Here's a real quick video on how to install the metal sill protectors for Model Y. We sell the same for Model 3 as well, just so you can compare them. This is the carbon fibre finish, it's like a nylon coating, and then hydro dipped. And then this is the brushed stainless steel. So we're going to go ahead and do this. As you can see, I've pre-peeled this one, but before I put it on, I'm going to fold the car mat back so we get better access. And then obviously you want to clean this area first. It'll come with a cleaner and adhesion promoter. And then we're going to use this main alignment point, and then obviously the recess around the closing mechanism as well for the latch. So, and just kind of shuffle it into place. Use your fingers up this end to make sure it's as far this way as it can be. And then just apply some pressure, downward pressure. If you want, you can pull this out the way as well. It shouldn't really interfere with anything, but it just means you can get a better feel on this back edge as well to make sure it's all good. Alright, I'm going to grab the other one, which is right here. Let's pull the camera around a little bit. And then same thing this time. See me peeling it off. As I say, I've already prepped the surface and cleaned it. It doesn't look it. This Model Y gets pretty good use. Going back and forth to the warehouse and so on, but it's perfectly fine for this. Okay, and the same thing, use this as your alignment point, but then you want to kind of pivot it down from up here on the closing latch recess as well. And then just push it home. Okay, and the last thing we need to do is just get rid of the trash. Pull this back. We're going to close it, so there are strike plates that obviously hit here and same spot over here, so we're just going to make sure that the trunk closes, and if it doesn't, we're going to adjust it. So bring this down. Okay, so that's all good. If for some reason it was not, so again. All we need to do, if I just bring this up here, there's two of these on each side. Get the focus on that. These just rotate in and out, so just adjust it by a quarter of a turn counterclockwise to screw it in further, and that gives you more of a buffer on the opening or the closing. And then obviously the same on this side. And you can adjust these as much as you need to until the shut lines are nice and even when the trunk closes. You can see that's all pretty good anyway, so no issues. Thanks for watching.